Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're looking at the silent heart threat and the everyday protector. We are going to be unpacking some truly fascinating insights about a hidden, stealthy danger to our cardiovascular health. And honestly, juxtaposing it with a surprisingly common, everyday household protector that you probably already have sitting right there in your kitchen cabinet. So tell me if this sounds familiar. Have you ever felt totally breathless after just a mild jog? Or maybe just walking up a normal flight of stairs? Or perhaps you've experienced a strange kind of dull heaviness in your chest, paired with this deep-seated fatigue that you just can't explain. Well, you need to pay close attention to those red flags. These physical realities aren't just minor inconveniences, and they definitely aren't just normal signs of getting older, right? They are active, urgent distress signals from your body. They're telling us quite clearly that the heart is actively struggling to do its fundamental job. And here is a terrifying truth we really need to confront right now. Heart attacks do not happen overnight. Let me say that again. They do not happen overnight. They are absolute masters of stealth. They build up silently inside your body, millimeter by millimeter, for months and sometimes even for decades. Because they are so quiet, by the time these issues are actually detected by a doctor, the coronary arteries are often already severely choked off. And at that late stage, well, patients are usually left with only extreme, highly invasive options, like angioplasty, metal stents, or even major bypass surgery. Which brilliantly illustrates one of the biggest, most dangerous misconceptions out there regarding our cardiovascular system. Think about the plumbing myth. Most people think their arteries act exactly like rigid metal pipes under their kitchen sink, pipes that just slowly get jammed with greasy gunk until they block completely. But the actual reality? Your arteries are dynamic, living, highly flexible tissues. They can actively expand and contract based on what your body needs. Because they can actually stretch outward to accommodate that buildup of plaque, a simple blockage from plaque alone isn't usually the immediate trigger for a heart attack. The artery just widens, and the blood figures out a clever way to keep flowing around the obstacle. So if the plaque itself isn't completely blocking the flow, what is the real villain here? What actually pulls the trigger? Well, it's something insidious called low-grade inflammation. This internal condition is what turns a relatively stable, manageable situation into a sudden, life-threatening emergency. Low-grade inflammation silently weakens the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels, and because of this structural weakness, the protective cap over the plaque sitting in your arteries becomes highly unstable, and suddenly, it ruptures. It essentially bursts open like a tiny volcano. When that happens, your body absolutely panics. It thinks you're bleeding internally, so it instantly forms a massive blood clot to heal the wound. If that sudden large clot blocks the blood supply to your heart, you suffer a heart attack. If that exact same clot travels and blocks the supply to your brain, it causes a stroke. So the crucial point is this. To truly protect the heart from this silent threat, we have to target that exact root cause, the underlying inflammation and the unstable plaque. And the solution might just be sitting in a jar in your pantry right now. Enter isabgol, widely known globally as psyllium husk. Now, I know most people think of this purely as a simple, everyday remedy for occasional constipation, but as our source material clearly highlights, it is remarkably more than that. It's actually a deeply functional soluble fiber and an absolute powerhouse heart protector. Let's move to how this builds, because the mechanical process is just truly fascinating. How exactly does this humble, everyday fiber lower your bad LDL cholesterol? Let's walk through it. First, when you mix isabgol with water, it quickly forms a thick, viscous gel inside your intestines. Next, this dense gel acts almost like a powerful magnet or a highly absorbent sponge, physically binding itself to bile acids and flushing them entirely out of your digestive tract as waste. Finally, because your liver desperately needs those bile acids for digestion, it's forced into action. It pulls LDL cholesterol directly out of your bloodstream to manufacture brand new bile. The beautiful end result of this internal chemistry: your overall blood cholesterol levels steadily and completely naturally drop. But hey, the protection goes well beyond just managing cholesterol. It acts as a multi-layered shield for your heart in 3 distinct ways. First, as we just saw, it physically removes and drastically lowers that LDL cholesterol. Second, it actively prevents your blood from thickening. It does this by significantly slowing down the absorption of sugar from your meals. Slower sugar absorption means your insulin levels stay stable, which keeps your blood flowing smoothly instead of getting sticky and prone to clotting. And third, it deeply calms gut inflammation. A healthier, less irritated gut means lower overall systemic inflammation throughout your entire body. And as we learned earlier, less inflammation directly keeps that dangerous arterial plaque stable, ensuring it doesn't suddenly rupture. Now, to actually and safely get these benefits, you have to follow a very specific protocol. For preparation, you want to take just 1 single teaspoon mixed thoroughly in a full glass of lukewarm water. Timing is key here too. The ideal time is right after your dinner or shortly before going to sleep. But here is the golden rule, and you cannot skip this. You absolutely must drink an extra full glass of water shortly after taking the mixture. Isabgol works entirely by absorbing massive amounts of water. Without that crucial extra hydration, it turns into a dry, almost cement-like paste in your gut. It simply won't work and can actually cause severe digestive blockages. Finally, ensure a strict 2-hour gap between taking your Isabgol and any other daily medications. If you don't, that thick fiber gel might act as a barrier and block your body from properly absorbing your vital medicines. Also, just a very quick but incredibly important word of caution here. You should always start with a small quantity. Your digestive system needs a little bit of time to adjust to a sudden, large intake of high-density fiber. Once your body's used to it over a few weeks, you can slowly and slightly increase the amount. And of course, it goes without saying, if you have any severe chronic intestinal diseases or ongoing gut conditions, you absolutely must consult your primary care doctor before adding any dense fiber like this to your daily routine. Now, we need to be incredibly honest here to set the right expectations. Isabgol builds a wonderfully strong protective foundation for your heart, but it is not a magical eraser for a terrible overall lifestyle. If you try to rely solely on this single remedy while continuing to eat late, heavy dinners, while you continue to consume loads of fast food, act like a complete couch potato who completely avoids exercise, sleep terribly, and live under a constant cloud of chronic stress, well, you're just fooling yourself. Heart disease is a complex, systemic process. You have to treat the whole bodily system with respect, not just look for a convenient one-spoonful quick fix. Which brings us to our final provocative thought for today's explainer. A simple, accessible supplement like psyllium husk can definitely support and fiercely protect your heart, but are your daily habits quietly breaking it behind the scenes? Our bodies give us incredibly clear early warning signs long before a heart attack actually happens. Are you listening to them? It is entirely up to us to recognize those signals and change our behaviors while we still have the precious chance to do so. Thank you for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope this gives you a powerful, highly structured new perspective on taking genuine control of your heart health.